Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite term and shields and spears. Vows of favor of the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, bound within. The echoes of eternity. Valhalla calling me. To pluck the strings of destiny.
On your left. Hello. Oh. What's this now? What happened here? Oh, it's like this. Doesn't show this on here. You want to explore uphill? It says it's got bicycles here. I saw the bicycle sign. Well, it's someplace. Oh look, there's even a hooter back here. This must be for guerrilla campers. Huh? I think that's what it is. It's got two doors, don't it?
One on this side?
Yeah. One on the left? No?
Hold it.
Do we charge the bikes here?
Oh, we got power.
It's just a hasp, you could open the door. That brick shit house we came to, that had a meter on the side. Uh-oh, mosquitoes. They were waiting here for us. Oh, on that has a meter? No.
Even the
That brick
other
one.
place, you know, sometimes even it's not running, then nothing's flipping, and guys probably never come and disconnect them. So,
Yeah. Or they need it when they go there. They might store stuff. There's a trail there. I had enough of them kind today. It kind of gets pretty rough. Yeah. When you get down to the end where the road is, instead of this trail, I think there's a authorized vehicles only sign or something. But you make a left here. Hello, it's us again. Hello again. I believe that way. We'll go find a place to have lunch. One of these little offshoot picnic areas or something. We'll go back down to the harbor. We don't have a wheelchair. We can go sit nice place. Yeah, that way. Have a cold beer. And some baby sandwiches. So you want to know what's for lunch, or you want it to be a surprise?
oh, I didn't get told me, did you?
No, I was joking. But that would be good. No alcohol in here either. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. You gotta look at where you come in. Hey, that looks familiar. When you come in the main gate, I think it's no alcohol. I don't know. Yeah, I know. I've seen the sign by the campus. It might just be a reminder. Hey, if you're in your tent, first off, who would know? It just keeps people from being this staggering drunk. They got grounds to get rid of them. That's what I think. How does anyone know what you're drinking when it's in a cozy? Yeah. Well, if you don't, be obnoxious. That's what I'm saying. Yep. I try to stay out of them. Jellyfish mode, go! I do not like having not having a left-hand mirror. That broke off. I don't know if I can bend so you can see that. But I'm going to switch them around. It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood, a wonderful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you be? Won't you be my neighbor? Isn't it nice in here? Nothing to see. Nice in here. What do you think of those?
Oh, yeah, it looks pretty good. Let me show you too.
The one that ran by the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Left of it. Something there. What's that? The way that's concrete. Is it built like this one?
I don't know.